Meet Isaiah. He helps others out at work, loves his grandma, and always wanted to make DIY gifts for her. But Isaiah had a problem. A big problem. Store-bought lotions, it had unnatural ingredients. Online recipes were confusing and didn't work. The ingredients he bought were expensive and sold by overbearing moms at parties. That's when Isaiah met me in the Simply Earth's DIY Lotions recipe box. He gets free shipping, free big bonus box, hero course, exclusive discounts, recipe box rewards, like-minded community, and VIP access to new products. And to lessen his worries, it's all backed by our 60-day 100% Earth-tastic guarantee. And it's not just Isaiah raving about the box.
I made this.
You heard that right. Our essential oils are 100% certified pure, backed up by GCMS tests, and come from amazing farms like these. 1. Pure ingredients delivered straight to his door. 2. He follows simple tutorials and guides. 3. He did DIY his own way to toxin-free living, making it natural products, and became his grandma's favorite grandchild. He joined a community of over 10,000 natural makers and even saved money because he was spared from the cost of a middleman, and unlocked the power of nature in his home using essential oils and natural ingredients. Be cool like Isaiah and join the box that has over 6,000 5-star reviews. Don't wait, this box sells out fast.
High quality oils, pure.
Each month you get 4 oils and recipes and things to make your recipes.
13% of their profits go to ending human trafficking.
Isaiah's journey didn't stop here. With a new theme each month, he mastered all kinds of DIY products. He made lip balm for his hippie friend and a candle for his sister. Let's hear from Isaiah himself what's in this month's box.
You get 4 different oils, natural ingredients, and 6 different recipe cards to make your own natural products. They'll leave you saying,
I can't believe how exciting this is. This box is life-changing. Achieve your DIY goals with Simply Earth's recipe box. Subscribe today.